Hey, wait, what are we doing? I destroyed this code. I want to do a war.
A war! Come on, let's go.
Wars, bones, Freddy.
Oh, you
Bro, I just wanna go to the mine.
RT.
I gotta fight myself in there, bro. I gotta find my way in there. Pause.
Oh, look at your cutter.
Yo! Oh my god.
There's a lot of Team Black in the morning. We need to go to
the mines! Run! Purple cat.
The guy here is trouble.
No!
Pitch.
Wait!
Pickaxe. Pickaxe.
Fuck!
Oh my god.
What team am I?
I'm friendly.
Yo! There's lava.
Me too, I'm friendly. Oh, you know it's time.
What team are they?
Oh, ow. Okay.
Who's coming in?
Hey, anybody? Mothers, can you give me a walk around here, please?
Oh my god. Yo. Get me out of here, please. I don't wanna die.
We need to go. We need to escape. We need to get out of here.
I see a lot of walk launchers over here.
Go. We murdered a bunch of greens.
I'm getting out. I refuse to team up with Black.
It was.
Hey, we were at walk launcher right now. Oh, wait. They're getting raided by greens. Hey, teammate. Let's walk launcher.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can you give walk launcher a roll now?
This is so traumatizing.
I'm right here. I'm the big one. I'm the big one.
Oh my god.
Kilo.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Which way do I go? I just want to get out of
Bro,
here.
I'm down in mine.
Oh, blue. Blue. Oh! It's not a revolver. Yes!
I saw the people down low.
And a grappler. Hey, bro.
Hey, David.
You're a green. I'm not green. Oh, green, run!
The people at the bottom are
Shit.
your dead.
Please, bro, please. Please.
Guys, wait
Please
for
don't
me.
shoot.
Okay.
Go! Get on the green!
Get the green.
Yes. I can go home now. I can go home now.
I got some wheat. I got some wheat.
Guys, red team. All colors. Please don't attack. We just want to explore the mines and see what's in there. We're just collecting loot to get money. Please don't attack. No, no.
Oh my god, giant died.